Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pipedrive CRM system for as a beginner. So it's pretty cool feature, the Pipedrive. So if you're collecting CRM or leads, or if you're actually manage some deals with your customers, then you can actually use this Pipedrive software or Pipedrive feature that actually powered by AI. So the Pipedrive AI will help you to manage your sales. You can optimize the leads. You can manage your CRMs for customer relationship management. So from here you can try it for free. So you can simply click on try it for free. So I'm going to create an account first. So you have to enter your email, or you can continue with your Google account. So I'm going to continue with my Google account right now. Now just like this, continue, and here you can see it is asking about myself here. So we have to enter something like the job details, like anything, for example the marketer. Then how have you used a CRM before? So you can select is no, I haven't used a CRM, just because of this is for beginners. So if you are a beginner, then you can select this. Then the country code here, and you have to enter your phone number. Then you can simply click on next. Now from here you have to add your company name. So I'm going to add a company name like, then you can select the how big is your company, select the employer, how much employer that you have on your company, then company industry, so which industry your company is working right now, for example this, and how many people in your company will use Pipedrive. So you can select how many people will use this feature or software. So you can select that and simply click on next. Now your goal, so what is your goal actually? So get started with CRM basics, or you can set up my sales process, or you can gather all my customer communication, or experience Pipedrive using my own data, or get more leads. So you can select that get started with CRM basics, then sales process, get more leads. So you can select all of this from here. So simply click on create account. Now here you can see it is just creating the account here. So you have to wait just for the finishing touches. So here you can see the dashboard is loading here. So we are here. So here is a tutorial video for you that can explain you all about these features here, and I will also explain you about this. So you can click on I'll explore or by your own. So from here the first one is deals. So here you can manage your deals, the qualified deals here, then the contact mode here. This is actually demo. This all details that you are seeing is actually demo. So you can see you can find the category, the qualified deals, contact made deals, and demo scheduled, proposal made, and the negotiation started. So you can select your sales plan from here, every sales plan if you want. So now here you find the deals, and you can simply tap on this drop down button where you can just import your deals to this pipeline if you have any data for your deals, or you can direct import data from different types of platform like Gothic. And from here you can upload your .xlsx or .csv file from here. So you can easily get all of this that actually separated in its exact location. So from here it's asking for the data import. So here is the list like pipeline, or you can add it as a list, or you can add it like this. So there is three type of interface that you can use. It will sort that as the amount, then it will sort as a list, or you can find that pipeline from here. So from here you can simply click on this plus deal button to create a deal here, where how you can actually create deal like contact person. So you can set the name of the contact person, like I have just set it contact, and organization. You can add the organization like anything like XYZ. So you can add it. So I have just added it. Now title is XYZ deal. Now here is the value, that how much value that deal have. So I'm going to add this 10,000 like this, and the pipeline stage here, you can add product if you want. So you can simply tap on it. So add products, so you can add some products here, phone number, your email address, and the product item that you have. So you can add the product, you can simply click on it. Now here you can item add number of the product that you are going to deal, like mobile phone. So price, so here you can see as you that you can add the product here. So now here's the price that you want, so like 1000. The quantity here, like I'm going to add the quantity on, you can select this scale bar here and you can add some text if you want, so the total amount here. Now here is the label that you can set a label here if you want, so you can add label. So here is the color that you can use to create the label. So the label name here, like mobile deal, just save. So for remembrance here, so you can simply add that, and like the expected close date, you can select the expected close date for like the mid of this month here. The owner is actually me. So source channel, here is the source channel where it has sourced, or if you have no source, then you can select it none. Then source channel ID if you have. So now visibility, that items owners, visibility groups, or items owners that can just visible this it will be visible to that item owner. Now simply click on save and it is saved here. So that here you can see the deal here. Actually you can simply click on the deal here and you can set the activity, set the notes here according to the deal, the meeting schedules, where you can actually integrate your some apps like Google Calendars or Google Workspace or the Microsoft Workspace. Now you can go to the manage visibility where you can add availability like this, the define the availability like whenever. You can define the date here, you can add the schedule from here, the timing. So I'm going to skip that right now. So you can go with that. The calls here, emails that actually related to that reels, these deals here. Now the files that add like your product file or any type of files like image, videos that actually related with this deal. Documents and invoices also. So you can invoice and you can install an app to get some invoices. Here is QuickBooks, so you can install this app to get the invoice feature. So it can actually this QuickBooks actually helps you to create invoices for you on Pipeline. So you can install it by simply click on that. Now you have to enter the user ID first, then you can go access your QuickBooks. So you can just add that from here. So like right now I'm going to skip that again. Now here is all thing about the deal here. So you can go with deal, you can also qualify deal, you can select it, you can just drag and drop in any category from here. Also you can select a category if you want, so you can change a category name here. You can simply tap on that button and you can simply click on add deals to that stage if you want. So this is also some of the steps that you qualified a deal, you have contact made, you have demo scheduled a demo here, or you have just made a proposal, and here is the negotiation section and if the final section here. Now the first one is leads, where you can generate the leads. Here is the leads inbox where you can get some messages from your leads, and also the live chat to this. Here you can set the live chat, the chatbot of a Pipeline where you can activate the chatbot here, and all of this that help you to create something. Like here is the project, so where you can just create projects, or this is a campaign where you can fix or make some campaign for your product, so you can get started for free. Or this is actually the sales inbox where you can just add your email address, so you can simply click on get started and you have to confirm that with your Google account. So I'm going to confirm that and give the permission, like it can actually access my Gmail here. Now continue. So it can actually access my Gmail here and it will there will appear all of my inboxes here. So it will start sends here with my email. So here you can see it has just started. So where it is email sends, and from here the sales inbox, let's see, here you can see it is one by one is appearing. So that's how from here you can just manage your inboxes and the outbox, all of things like here. So you don't need to go to the Gmail then again and come back, so you don't need to. Now here's the activities where you can fix your activities, or you can schedule something, or you can make some tasks that you have to do, and all of this are related to your deals. So you can manage your deals and customer relationship from this application. So this is actually this is actually the context where you can add your leads from here. You can add your customers or the company details, you can add persons. So you can add their name, add their organization name, you can add their phone number. If there's a multiple phone number, you can add multiple phone number from here. You can add email, you can add multiple email. Then the ownership, that actually who is the owner of it, so the label, you can label it also. So also you can import the data if you want so you can simply tap on import. So you can import a lead data, so it will actually set the contract in this section also. And the organization, actually it will shortlist it according to the organization. Then the context timeline here, and here is the insights about your sales and the deals that you have made till now by this pipeline. So you can find it. So you can create dashboard, you can simply click on create dashboard, and here it is. So where you can find the total value that you have made and the total revenue chart here, that actually give you a comprehensive view about your sales in between different months here. And here is deal status by persons and activity status here. So you can find different types of things. So you have to manage it one by one, you have to decorate it one by one. Now here is the report where you can find different types of report individually if you want so. Now here is products, that where you can add some products. Here is the product I have just already added, that product code here. So you can add a product code like I'm going to add it. So just like this is the same. So I have just added, and here is some details that we can add. Now you can, here is the settings button where you can add something like activity. You can add some categories here, that we have only two categories, like name and product code. So you can add more categories from here. You can add unit, activity, bill frequency, more visible to more of things from here. Then the marketplace, where you can integrate some applications, some useful applications like Microsoft Teams, the MailChimp, the QuickBooks, Zapier, Apollo.io, or also you can add the integrate this Google Meet, so you can arrange a meeting from this one place. So Pipeline is a platform where it will allow you to create anything in one place by integrating these apps from here. You can find the categories that actually help you in that specific sector, like Slack and the Zoom meeting. There is also Trello, so you can manage your team by Slack and the Trello. So all of these apps you will get in this one platform. So that's pretty much interesting. Now here you can find the three dot button, where you can find these automations. You can create some automations if you want so, like the you can add some automations, and this is actually a pro thing. So if you want to get more detailed video on this, how you can create automations and how you can manage your dashboard on the pipelines, then leave a comment below that you want that detailed video. Then the automatic assignment here, then Pipedrive AI, you can use that AI here. You can AI powered sales assistant, you can enable it or disable it. AI email creation, AI smart app recommendation, AI powered marketplace search, and AI assisted report generation. These all are actually available in Pipeline. So here's the beta feature, so you can use it also, the phone calls and more of things that you can use from here. And also there is, you can import data or you can export data from Pipeline, and you can import in another platform if you want so. So that's pretty much all thing about the Pipedrive. So you can use Pipedrive to generate sales, and you can manage your warehouse, you can manage your product, you can manage the customer relationship in this one application. Also you can just manage your leads, your warm leads actually. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.